Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to show you what most people don't know is available. This is a new box for electrical. It's been out for a while, but I don't see anybody using it. I'll go over your typical styles. This is the old cheapie, 2 nails. Set against the stud, nail it in, go on about your business. This is a rework box. It's got 2 little flanges up there, one bottom, one top. Turn the screw, it'll pull tight against the drywall. This guy here, this is the money. In my opinion, it's made for new construction, but there is absolutely no reason you can't use it as a remodel. I've used it as a remodel, and I'll show you what you have to do to make it a remodel. This box has a set of teeth right here, and what you do is you start it leaning towards the inside and then press it, and it grips right onto the stud. Got 2 nailing holes there. It's also got 2 on the rear, so it's very stable. Now, beauty of this, I don't know if you can see it or not from there, but you can set your depth. You want to add drywall, extra layer, trying to cover up old plaster, or tile in a kitchen. It's worth every penny. Instead of having to buy all them goofy tabs and try to shim out the pallet, you're good to go. For those of you that may watch Pure Living for Life, a couple out there out west, they're building a timber frame with SIP panels. This would be perfect for this type of application. And what you do when you're doing a remodel is you actually take these 2 ears off. So what I'm going to do for you here, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use it as a remodel box. So we're going to find true stud, just like you would in your house. Then we're going to mark our box. Now, if you've not seen any of my other videos, now would be a good time to subscribe. I've done a video on this little guy. If you've never seen one, it's a vibrating, oscillating tool. They work wonderful. I use it for all kinds of stuff. It's really ideal for this. So anyhow, there's other videos that I've got. Got a handful of subscribers who like to add you to the list and make you part of the family. Got a little close to the stud here, so this is not going to go in well. That's why we have a tool. So as I'm doing a remodel box here, we got to take off these 2 lips. and safety glasses on. Now, what makes this special is you can take it apart and put it in place. Screw stays put. My hole's still too small. There you have it, folks. A way more sturdier box. Now I can also nail this still through the flange. So you take another one, just lay it up there, get your measurements of where the holes are at, use it as a template. Boom. You can lock that down. A little bit of mud if you wanted. It's a lot easier to clean up something like this than it is to try to redo complete drywall and rewire an entire existing wall. Like I say, you got your distance there. It's adjustable if you were putting in tile or whatever. Thought I'd bring you down here closer so you can see the box. See how it's really made. There's your slot for putting your wire through. Of course, you got slots on the back as well. I knew this is probably what most people wanted to see. There's your barcodes. Well, fans, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little button down below, and I will bring you more content that's very helpful to you, hopefully. And if not, it'll be surely something you haven't seen. I got a new welder coming this week, and being my first one I've ever owned, so there'll be a lot of learning going on there. Hoping to put together a trailer, so that's kind of ambitious. So, again, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.